Perseids, a meteor shower famous for its fireballs, is peaking tomorrow. ScienceAlert. Game Review, Friday the 13th Ultimate Slasher Edition comes to Switch, metro.co.uk. Cooking Mama has gone vegetarian, Kotaku. Apple offers $1 million bug bounty to anyone who can dehack an iPhone, The Sun. Subway announces new Beyond Meat meatball sub, hot new hip-hop. Week 32 in review, Samsung Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus, Exynos 9825 are here, GSMArena.com News, GSMArena.com. Steam Workshop content now needs moderator approval, Polygon. Ninja disgusted at Twitch after porn stream was promoted on his channel, The Verge. What the hell is Metal Wolf Chaos? GameSpot. The Boaterhome is an RV and yacht rolled into one. Auto Evolution.